dream home awaits you here at number 44 Amaryllis Street in Alexandra Hills. A 9x7 tri-steel shed, parking for the caravan and the boat, and parking for 3 other vehicles. A large 4-bedroom home with a large deck. Check it out.
How'd you find you? How'd you feel your heart? Do you wonder when we lost the way? I won't give up. I want you to stay. What can I say?
As you can see, the home is absolutely immaculate. Your main bedroom with ensuite. Don't need to lift a finger except move in, unpack your boxes, put your feet up and enjoy this beautiful home. I'm Deb McDonald. Talk to you soon.
Let me tell you all I